Agatha, show me your tummy. Sige, go up. Tummy. Show me your nose. Nose. Show me your belly button. Show me your belly button. There it is. Show me your elbows. Elbows. Show me your back. Back. Show me your knees. Knees. And your toes. Toes. Your shoulders. Shoulders. Your neck. Your cheeks. Your eyes. Your ears. Your hair. Your mouth. Your hands. Hands. Your teeth. Your tongue. Your puwet. And your vagina. There it is. Wow. And how old are you? 1. What's your name? Atata.